Look at my son. Pride is not.
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
I'll give you a piece.
Gary!
Spicy. Hey, spicy.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Que yo vine fue a esto.
Cheeseburger.
Ouch. Ouch.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Why are you being such a beast?
Tito.
Oh! Wait.
Wow.
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Surprise.
Oh, it's Mizzy B. Hi, Mizzy B. Oh my god. Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're
That's right.
No, my boy! Father, help!
Yay, bro. Gary!
Meow. Oh, her nail is in my face. Can autumn.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Jump! Come on!
What are you doing in here?
Izzy! Are you stuck?
Counters!
Okay. You don't still. Switch. Otherwise, you're just gonna have enough brain.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Alright.
With the ears. Wee man.
Hey. Do it.
Can't you see?
You okay? Was that catnip too much for you?
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Mino şuraya.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to, like, show their toes? Show me your toe.
What the heck?
Comet, I love you. Oh shit, kitty.
His meow is so cute.
No!